To move the motor.
Yeah.
Well, you
So
got that now, haven't you?
in here, the code is doing an analog read and then your my servo write val. You want to go and look at the processing code, the processing example that was getting the Arduino example that was getting a value down the serial port and analog writing it. Instead of analog writing it, you my servo write it. So you need to include servo, create the servo object, and my servo.write instead of analog writing whatever comes down the serial port.
All right. This is for
Makes sense? Sorry, I
processing.
explained
Yeah,
it very quickly.
For processing.
Processing.
There was the dimmer code,
Right.
which has the processing sketch that sends a value, and the Arduino code that gets a value coming down the serial port and analog writes it. Instead of analog writing it, you want to add the servo library, servo object, and write to the servo rather than analog write to the pin.
All right.
And then
Let's try.
scraping across the processing sketch will move the servo mode. I'm going to lunch.
Very quickly, can you just remind me how to wire up the switch?
10k resistor.
That's
That goes to earth.
that one?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll put the picture up.
Yeah, that'll be grand.
10k resistor going from earth to the switch. The other connection of the switch going to 5 volts, and you read where the switch and the resistor.